Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open 2013 Hyundai Elantra Key Fob. Start by removing the emergency blade and pressing the release tab, then gently pry the two halves apart with a flat tool, keeping springs and the battery safe. Note battery orientation for reassembly. Clean the contacts if needed, replace the battery, and snap the case back together until the clips click and the fob works. Gather a small flathead or plastic pry tool and a clean surface before starting to open the 2013 Hyundai Elantra Key Fob. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips and place springs and the battery in a tray so they do not get lost. Inspect contacts and clean lightly if corroded, then install the correct replacement battery and test the fob before snapping the case back together. Avoid common mistakes when opening a 2013 Hyundai Elantra Key Fob by not forcing the case and by noting where each spring sits. Keep track of the small battery and its orientation to prevent improper contact or damage. Work on a well-lit, clean surface and handle clips gently so reassembly is simple and the fob functions reliably after you replace the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.